channel. Today I'm opening this new submarine. I bought it from IKEA. Okay, now let's open it. Here are the characters out of the box. One piece. And those are the corners are just cardboards. Oh, the characters even come with cardboards. These are papers. Oh, the instruction paper. Wow, it's so cool. This one, it didn't go inside. Oh my goodness, that's a large piece. Oh my goodness, there's holes. And the little holes. I think this is the surfboard. Yeah, it's surfboard. Oh my goodness, it's a long paper. I can use this for my drawing. And oh my goodness, another piece. It's two pieces. Let's check in the instruction paper. Wow, there's so much weights. Okay, the first one says, okay, I'm gonna take this big bit and allow it on that box. That cardboard. It's made of cardboard, but they draw it. Oh my goodness, wow, it's so cool. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, I'm almost finished. Wow, I did it so good. Now this one. Okay, I don't know which way it should go. Okay, let me try. Okay, oh yes. I think it doesn't stand really much, but hopefully it does. Okay, now I'm putting this piece on. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so great when I finish it. Okay, oh, that's the instruction paper. Forgot. Okay, this piece I'm taking so I can put this in the submarine. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this back here. Okay, now I'm putting this back here. Oh, I think it goes like that way, but there's a hole here. Yeah, I think that way, because I think, okay, I think this way. Oh yeah, this is very hard. Okay, now this way. Oh, it's very tight. How can I fit this? Alright, I'm just gonna look here in the instruction paper. Okay, so I need to put this. I don't think that way. I think this is a Jimmy Pia. That is a floorboard. Okay, I think that way. Okay, yeah, it goes that way. Oh my goodness, it's very tight. Okay, let me just plop that in. Oh my goodness, I cannot even press it. It's so hard. Okay, guys, my mom just gave me a hand. Okay. Oh my goodness, it turned out so well. Oh my god, there are some living rooms. Oh, there's even a slide up there. Oh, the steering wheel. Here's the mechanic or the fixer. Okay, he goes over here. Okay. Stay over there. Okay, good. And this is the chef. The cook. Chef or cook, you can say in what. Okay, now here's the captain. The captain goes right in that room. That means the captain is flying. The one. Okay, I'm gonna put like this. The explorer or the adventure. We can call whatever we want this to. So I'm gonna call it X-Venture. X-Venture is the name of it. It's called X-Venture. Oh, here's the scuba diver. The scuba diver. I think one day we meet. The shells, oh my god. I wish I had this shell. Well, I do, but I don't know where is it. I collected it in the beach. So there's lots and lots of rooms. Oh my goodness, this one is the cutest character I've ever seen. And oh, so this is a gym area. Oh my goodness, look at the basketball. It's just like a real basketball. I don't know how they built this, but I think they dropped it and those shelves and the dining table and the bed and the kitchen. I mean the bathroom and the filter, the water filter or something. Guys, so that's all my video. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. And remember, the name is Ritik Show. Bye bye. And remember the submarine. And you can build this and take this in IKEA. Bye bye.